The document browser on the start page of SAP Predictive Analysis provides access to all your items, including documents, saved visualizations, datasets, and stories. It also provides access to content saved to SAP Lumira Cloud and a list of the connections used by your items, enabling you to manage your content by data source. The menu bar contains a collection of menus that enable you to access the full range of features for the application. From the File menu, you can open the Preferences dialog box to change global settings for viewing data, charting, enriching datasets, automating software updates, configuring network preferences, and installing SQL drivers. From the File menu, you can also access the R Installation and Configuration dialog, which enables you to install the open-source R environment directly from within the application, or to configure an existing R installation for use with SAP Predictive Analysis. The Prepare, Predict, Visualize, Compose, and Share buttons enable you to toggle between the available workspaces. The Prepare workspace allows you to edit and cleanse the data in your dataset before creating an analysis. The toolbar provides access to common commands, such as toggling between datasets, refreshing values, undoing or redoing steps, creating calculations, combining records, and creating new datasets. A series of buttons enables you to show and hide columns and to switch between grid and facet modes. The object picker organizes the data in your dataset into measures and attributes and enables you to search for specific items. The values from the dataset are displayed in the main window in either grid or facet format. Icons in the column or facet headers indicate the data type for the values: ABC for strings, 123 for numbers, and calendars for dates. For each measure or attribute, an options menu allows you to perform additional commands. Options menus are also available in each column or facet header to perform additional commands. The Manipulation Tools sidebar contains all the actions you can apply to modify a selected column or facet. The status bar is visible in all workspaces. It displays details about the dataset, such as name, number of rows and columns, and last refreshed date and time. The Predict workspace enables you to connect your data to various components to create an analysis, as well as to view the analysis results. The toolbar has buttons that enable you to select the desired dataset and analysis for editing, run an analysis, undo or redo actions, save models, and navigate between the Designer and Results views. In Designer view, you create an analysis, and in Results view, you view the output of the analysis. Note that the Results tab is available only after you've run the analysis. In Designer view, the component sidebar contains the algorithm, data preparation, and data writer components you can use to create an analysis, as well as any models you've saved. In the Analysis Editor, you link your data source with nodes from the component sidebar to create an analysis. For each component in an analysis, a configuration dialog enables you to specify the desired settings. On the Results tab of the Predict workspace, the component sidebar enables you to select the desired view of the analysis results. The Data Grid view displays the results in columns, including all the columns from the data source along with any additional columns generated by the analysis. The Summary view displays a data summary of the analysis results. When you run an analysis, a number of charts are generated automatically. These charts are specific to the algorithms used in the analysis. This example is a cluster density and distance chart generated by the RK-means algorithm. In the Visualize workspace, you can create visualizations using charts. The toolbar enables you to select the dataset, analysis, or component node whose data you want to visualize. This enables you to create and manage visualizations of your data both before and after running the analysis. The same object picker from the Prepare workspace provides access to all the measures and attributes in the selected dataset, analysis, or component. The Chart switcher enables you to choose from a wide range of chart families and types to meet your charting requirements. You can drag and drop objects from the object picker into the chart feeder to build your visualization. The chart body displays a visualization of the objects added to the chart feeder. Note that objects can also be dragged directly into the chart body to be automatically assigned to compatible areas in the chart feeder. The area above the chart displays a description of the chart contents and allows you to add filters to restrict the data in the chart, as well as to change the chart orientation and show or hide the chart legend and data labels. There is also a button to maximize the chart area by hiding the chart picker and chart feeder at the right. Once a visualization has been created, it can be saved, which adds a thumbnail of the visualization to the chart gallery at the bottom of the window. You can also reset the chart feeder to create a new visualization. Note that each dataset, analysis, and analysis component can have its own set of visualizations. The selections made in the toolbar at the top of the screen determine the set of visualizations displayed in the chart gallery. In the Compose workspace, you can group visualizations into storyboards that organize the data in meaningful ways. The toolbar provides access to common commands, such as selecting the dataset, analysis, or component whose visualizations you want to view in the chart gallery, selecting the storyboard you want to edit, toggling between edit and view modes, and saving, deleting, or creating stories. The chart gallery displays previews of available visualizations that you can add to a board. The visualizations that display are dependent on the dataset, analysis, or component selected in the toolbar at the top of the screen. You can also drag and drop the image or text icons to a board to insert an image from a URL or a text box to annotate your board. The desired objects are added to the board creation zone. The page controls at the bottom of the zone enable you to navigate between multiple boards within a story. You can add attributes from the object picker to a board to enable interactive filter controls. Attributes added to a board appear in the Controls pane, enabling you to filter results by selecting the desired values. The Story Options pane provides access to formatting and management options for the story and its boards, along with tools for creating, copying, resetting, and deleting boards. The Share workspace enables you to share and collaborate on your datasets and saved visualizations. The toolbar enables you to perform common commands. Note that the currently selected asset type determines the options that are available in the toolbar. Datasets and visualizations within the document are displayed in the main area of the window, where you can select one or more items to share. You can also search for specific items by name. You have successfully navigated the interface of SAP Predictive Analysis. This is the end of the tutorial.